everyone, this is Ieasha of Elaborate Designs by Ieasha, and welcome back to my channel. So today is Father's Day, so I would like to say happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. All right, so I'm bringing you today, here on my channel today, I'm going to show you something that I'm going to be doing for my husband for Father's Day. It's going to be a balloon garland that I'm going to make for him, as well as I told him that I wanted some pedestal stands, and I gave him the height and everything that I wanted, so he made them for me. So I'm going to be showing you those, that the DIY pedestal stands, as well as I'm going to be adding some items on the pedestal stand that I know my husband likes. Okay, also I have made some t-shirts. All right, that's how my business, this Elaborate Designs by Ieasha business, came to pass, because of my t-shirts. And I started this channel in order to show you the t-shirts, how to make the t-shirts, as well as the mugs that I make also. All right, and then I moved into different events, and now I'm into balloon designs. All right, so I'm going to be showing you some shirts that I've made, and also we're going to be going and taking some Father's Day, we're going to do a Father's Day photo shoot. All right, so I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you a part of the Elaborate Designs by Ieasha family. All right, also I'm going to be showing some pictures, just representing my husband and the great father and the great husband that he is. And also I'm going to be showing you a picture of my father, my dad, Junior Baker, who passed away in 2016. All right, so I hope that you all enjoy. Make sure you leave me a comment and let me know what you think about my decor. All right, so you all have a happy Father's Day, and I will see you all in my next video. Make sure you continue to watch this entire video to the end. All right, so here's my father, Mr. Junior Baker. And here's my wonderful husband. Alright, so these are the balloons that I'm going to be blowing up for my husband's Father's Day balloon garland that I will be making. And these are blue and white balloons. And also I have some 5-inch blue and white balloons. I have some silver balloons, as well as some confetti balloons. Alright, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to blow it up. I have my balloon pump right here. Remember, if you blow it up to where you see this area look like a pear shape, then you have blown it up too much. So you need to just release some air out of it, just like this. All right, until it becomes that round shape. Just press it on the floor, give it a good press, and you see it has that round shape, and just tie it. All right, and these are 145 piece balloons. Yes, it's the navy blue and silver balloon garland kit. It's 145 piece latex balloons. So I have a lot of balloons to blow up, and it also came with this balloon pump for me to blow up my 5-inch balloon. So now I'm going to start blowing up the confetti balloons, and I've already blown up one of them, and this is how it looks. It's really pretty. And in order to get the little confetti to stay in the balloons, you just rub it against your clothing or either on some carpet. And I've rubbed mine here on my floor. All right, so I'm going to show you how to blow it up. All right, this is the balloon, and it usually have like a little rubber band type of thing on it. All right, so I'm just going to blow it up with my much as I'm gonna put in mine. All right, and then you take it and tie it. All right, now as you see, the confetti is all over the place in the balloon. So what you do is just take it and just rub it on any carpet, anything that can, that has static, because that's what it needs. All right. You just keep going and going and going until you get all of the confetti exactly where you want it. All right, and as you see, that's how mine look. All right, and this is how this one looks. This one look a little different because I actually went all the way around it. All right, so that's the confetti balloon. Okay, so I have finished with my husband's balloon garland that I made for him for Father's Day. And as you can see, I had just a few extra balloons that I didn't use. So I just put them down here for us to have a photo shoot here at home also. We also did one outside the home where we went and we took a photo shoot. I will be showing you that, and also I'll be showing you what we do here. But for the big reveal, I want to show you what I have created for my husband for Father's Day, and this is it. Alright, so now I'm going to talk to you about the balloons that I have. I purchased these balloons from Amazon, and for the ones of you who've been following me for a while, you know that my husband is a blue lover. He loves the color blue. So I knew I had to add something with blue in it. So as you see, these balloons are blue with the confetti balloons, white, and it also has some beautiful gray. And I am just loving these balloons. They're so pretty. And they were 145 balloons in a pack. Well, it came in a box. All right, and the extra ones I had, like I said, I just put on the floor right here. And these two stands right here, my husband made them for me. I told him what size I wanted them, and he made these. So they're pedestal stands. And I have another one. I have a taller one, but I didn't get a chance to finish that one. So I just went ahead and told him that we could just use these two small ones. And as you see, all I did, I'm gonna zoom in some, is just put a cupcake here on my beautiful little cupcake stand here. And that's the little stand I have that I just put the cupcake on. This is a red velvet cupcake. And I just added the little symbol that says Dad. And on this side, I just added one more over here, and it says Dad also. All right, so these are two red velvet cupcakes, and I just added them to the cupcake stands on each of the pedestals. So this is the tablecloth that I have right here, and this is what I'm using. I didn't have actual fabric to use as a backdrop, but I used this tablecloth. And what I use to put my balloon garland up is fishing line, and I just attached, you can't really see it, but what I attached this tablecloth with is just a, like a little thumbnail type thing, and I just added my balloon line string around it for it to hang like it. You see it hanging here. All right, so this is what I decided to do for my husband this year. All right, so now we're about to do a photo shoot in front of this. All right, and I also will be linking the tablescape that I did for him last year, 2019 Father's Day tablescape, in the card section as well as in the description box, so make sure you go and check it out. All right. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you a part of the Elaborate Designs by Ieasha family.